Hello. I am Dr. Vijay Suresh, working as professor in mechanical engineering of Jawaharlal Nehru National College of Engineering, Shimoga, which is situated in the state of Karnataka. So this college has been established 30 years ago, in 1981, by renowned management society called National Education Society of Shimoga. This society was formed by basically freedom fighters during the time of independence as early as 1947, and they opened many institutions in a way to give education to the poor and rural people of this part of the state. As a consequence of this, engineering college was started, that is Jawaharlal Nehru National College of Engineering, was started in 1881, and now it is successfully running for 30 years. We have very good administrative system, very good infrastructure, facilities, and thousands of students have benefited from this college. This college is spread over sprawling 50 acres of land. It contains very good sports facility, including a international level cricket stadium, and also other gym and other sports facilities, housing 4 boys hostel and 1 girls hostel, and many more. Basically, the college is giving education in 7 different engineering disciplines like civil, mechanical, electrical, telecom, electronics, computer science, and so on. And it is ranked one in 75 colleges of India and 1 in 10 places of Karnataka recently by Outlook and other magazines. So I feel very proud to be a faculty of this college. College means it is not just academic education. We think that the students have to be given encouragement to do extracurricular things other than just reading and writing. They have to involve in other cultural activities, paper presentation, giving technical talks, and involving in many sport events, competitions, technical competitions, which will enhance their analytical capability and also the skills. In that direction, we started the Institute of India student chapter in our college way back in 1999, and it started its activities by conducting seminars, workshops, conducting quizzes, and doing some outside community service work, etc. in a small scale. And with time, it has grown to a very large scale. The institution is conducting every year a technical symposium called TechZone to encourage students to exhibit their hidden talents and interact with others so as to increase their capabilities. So in this context, since 8 years, we are organizing this TechZone, a symposium at state level. For the first time this year, that is 2014, we are organizing national level technical symposium, and we have invited the participants from various parts of country like South India, some states like Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and also from north like Maharashtra, Mumbai, and also Rajasthan. So I feel that I feel very heartening to note that IA student chapter is into 12 years of active formation now. I am indeed very pleased to state that TechZone, a technical symposium being organized every year successfully at state level, and it's 8th time. This year, by the name TechZone 2014, for the first time at national level. And every year, the TechZone will have its own theme. In the previous years, we had theme Save Water, Save Energy, Go Green, like that. The theme for this year is Recycle, which is very proper in this age because pollution is playing a very detrimental role globally, causing environmental hazards and ecology imbalance. The students have taken keen interest and put their heart and soul in making this TechZone a great event. So we are planning to hold this national level symposium every year and I look forward for much and more meaningful competition from students from all parts of the country. I take this opportunity to invite students from even other parts of country who can come and take part in various events of Tech Zone, which will be leading to meaningful exposition of bright talents and fusion of emblazed minds during this event. This is for your information. Thank you.